Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make omena, and to our ingredients we have 4 tomatoes, we have garlic, ginger, lemons and 2 red onions, plus our coriander or dania, and then we have milk, a glass of milk, you guys, and the main ingredient, yay, we have the omena. Welcome guys. I hope you watch till the end and to see how we make the recipe, like how is it gonna be special than any other, you guys. By the time you cook this, and you'll be eating it from the stove, you guys. So let's get into prepping. So guys, I usually separate my coriander. I cut the stalks aside, and the leaves aside, and for the stalks I put them right when I'm beginning to cook, because they have some flavor, you guys, that blends so well when you put it at the beginning. So here, on to prepare on omena, I wash it first. That's how I do it. I wash it with cold water first, and then I put it in a bowl, and I put in very hot water. Then I cut my lemons, you guys, and put in the juices in the omena together with the hot water. So the purpose of the lemons is to take away all the bad smell. Like, most people don't like the smell. And once you do that, you mix it together, let it sit for a while, and then you can drain it and rinse it one more time if you like. And then you just, yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, you won't believe if you try this, how the smell just goes away, and the bitter taste is just taken away by the lemon just takes it all out, and you guys, it's gonna be yummy. So you mix it, let it sit for a while, and then you see, you guys, and then also it helps to remove any dirt, because you guys, omenas are usually so dirty when they're coming from the lake. In a pan, guys, you heat some oil. So here I'm putting in my omena into the hot oil, and I'm gonna be turning this constantly for roughly 7-8 minutes, because it takes very short while for it to get crunchy. The purpose of doing this is to make them crunchy, and you're gonna enjoy them as compared to when they're soggy. We don't want them soggy, we want them crunchy. So you do this for about 8 minutes. Oh, and I forgot to say, you guys, that you have to sprinkle some salt if you like, and after they're done, you can even eat them as a snack. They're yummy. So next we move on to cooking the omena. Now you saute the onions, then put in the garlic, ginger, and the dania stalks, remember, that I cut first. Then once that is done, you put in the tomatoes. You can actually use blended tomatoes. You guys know I love using blended tomatoes. They make making of the paste far much easier. So you just cook the tomatoes. Let's do this. Once the tomatoes are ready, you guys, we put in now our omena. See how crunchy they are. Like, I wish you could I just hope you guys try out this recipe, because they are crunchy. We have already snacked on some of them, guys. So you put them in, and then you mix them up with the tomato paste. That is the paste you've already cooked for from the tomatoes. You mix them up nicely, and then here you can add salt to your liking. But myself, I don't use any spices, you guys. I just prefer it with the garlic and ginger. Then it is done, and you put in our coriander, and it is ready to serve. This is the first method. It is dry. This is for people who prefer it dry, and there it is, guys, nice and ready to eat with some more garlic. So guys, the second method is you put aside the omena that you've already prepared now, and then you put some milk in the pan that you were just using, and you heat the milk, let it boil, just a little milk, you guys, and then you put in the omena and you let it just sit and cook with the milk until it becomes creamy. Just I want you to imagine how creamy it is going to be. You guys, once you try this recipe, you're not gonna cook your omena any other way. Guys, you will just be licking your fingers, man. So that is the second method that I wanted to show you guys. I learned of it, and I have always been cooking my omena like that. And by the way, once you use the lemon, you guys, it doesn't have the taste of omena, the bitter taste. So here it is done, you guys. It is creamy. Just see how creamy it is. Ooh la la, guys. And then you serve that up with some ugali. It is creamy and wet and gooey for the people who love it like that. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Stay tuned for more yummy recipes. I hope you try them out. Wow, bye.